Hi, I'm Frederico, also known as Fred. I'm a physicist in Brazil, also collaborating with Paul Whitford's group at Northeastern University. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to open structures with RADtool using the download option. Just to make things neat and organized, let's create a folder called Open Structures. And open this folder and get the terminal opened here in order to start VMD. So starting VMD at this folder, and just checking that RADtool is already installed under the extensions and analysis menu. Let's gonna open the RADtool. And also I also like to open TK console just to follow what's happening. And as you may see, RADtool has a lot of features, but specifically we are going to focus on the input options. As you may see that there are 3, and we are going to use the first one to download these structures, giving just a PDB code. And in this case, we are going to use the code 3J77, which is an eukaryotic ribosome structure. And before hitting analyze, we have to take a look at the other options, like for example the animation. It's switched off just to save memory. And as this is not an equalized structure, the stamp alignment has to be switched on. So stamp will renumber the residues to match the equaline numbering. The prune option, the prune cores option, it's switched on, and you can either leave it on or switch off as you may like. In our case, we are going to name the output files as test1. So all the output files are going to start with test1. And also select the output directory to be the current directory we are currently in. And with that, you can hit the Analyze Structure button. And after doing that, RADtool is going to try to download the structure. And it has done that successfully. And then automatically it's going to proceed to a routine to figure out which are the longest large and small subunit RNA chains using a contact criteria. And after selecting these 2 RNA chains, stamp, as it's switched on, is gonna check the numbering, and if needed, it's gonna renumber the numbering to match E. coli. Also, the prune, as the prune cores is switched on. In this case, prune will discard all the residues that deviate more than 2 angstroms from the reference structure. And these steps are gonna take some time, because my machine is a really old machine, but I promise that they will take less. After finished, the display is gonna show the structure we downloaded alongside the reference structure. And as you may see here, and in the main menu, you're gonna check where are each thing that has been displayed or is hidden, like the aligned reference, the structures you have downloaded, and also the vectors and everything else. So with that, I hope you all enjoy RADtool and the other features. Bye bye.